Thursday, Cook with Kevin. And this week we are going to be making caramel apple dump cake. Now, we always say, is it caramel or caramel? That is the question. Anyways, first thing, or actually what I'll do is I'll read the ingredients. So 2 20-ounce cans of apple pie filling, and we're here in Canada, so we do ours in milliliters, but roughly 20 ounces is roughly 540 milliliters, and we're using Edie Smith apple pie filling. 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1.5 cups of Kraft caramel unwrapped. I just bought no name ones from the dollar store. 1 box of dry yellow cake mix, and one cup or 2 sticks of butter cut into 1/4 inch thick pets. So the first thing we do, preheat your oven 350 degrees. We're going to grease our pan. We're going to spray it with cooking spray. And we're just going to set that aside.
And those no-name caramels are good, aren't they, Kevin?
Yeah, you would know. You had more than I did.
I had 3.
Exactly. I had 1, dear. 1. And I'm not taking one right now. No, I am not.
Yeah, no, I know.
Now people are going to have to listen to me talking to you at the same time. So in a mixing bowl, take our 2 cans of pie filling. It smells yummy. All right, now we're going to 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. And I just added the rest of the bag, so. And then our 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Nutmeg is strong. All right, and we're going to stir it up. And we're going to bring our pan back over. And we're just going to spread it all out into the pan.
Dorothy's watching every move you make.
Oh, she's going home before we eat it.
Oh, yeah, right. I have a timeline, do I?
All right, next we're gonna arrange our caramel. So we cut these in half, and we just want to drop them in, spread around. There's lots here. unfortunate thing with
Did they
caramels.
all stuck?
Well, they are sticking. I mean, they come apart okay, but yeah. You know, when we're sweltering in 29 degrees weather and first week of October, it's so unusual.
Mm-hmm.
Glad we didn't have these sit any longer.
Mm-hmm.
A little dusting of flour may have helped prevent them from sticking.
I'm glad they didn't sit any longer because we would have eaten them.
Oh, more than likely. I do not doubt that. Now, the no-name caramels, they're okay. They're not as good as the Kraft. But when you're making something like this,
Doesn't matter.
it doesn't really matter exactly. Okay, now we're going to take our cake mix. And we're just going to sprinkle. Sprinkle it around.
What kind of cake mix is that?
It's just a yellow cake mix. This one actually was on sale. It's a Duncan Hines.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Those are good.
They didn't have any yellow at the dollar store. They only had white, and white doesn't necessarily have the same flavor.
No.
All right, so the last thing we're gonna do is our sticks of butter.
There's no calories in this cake.
Oh, none, absolutely zero.
I made pancakes for so much.
And you just want to evenly spread these out.
They were delicious.
Um,
I had a great conversation with the dietitian.
Okay. And ladies and gentlemen, that is all the effort you need to putting that together. We are going to put this into the oven for 45 minutes. We got to wait 45 minutes. You hear that, ladies? 45 minutes.
Oh, that's good. Perfect time.
Yeah, but you're going to be gone by then, Dorothy.
Oh, I don't think so. I don't have Glenn with me tonight. He's at home resting.
Okay, so we're going to throw this into the oven. When it's done and I bring it out, I'll show it to you before we dish it up for the taste test. All right, it is ready. And here's what it looks like. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm gonna dish this up and we're gonna do the taste test. Okay, it's all dished up.
He gave us some too.
Mm-hmm. Yum, yum,
I
yum.
just showed it to them.
I know.
Oh, it's hot. Mm-hmm. You just come out of the oven.
Thanks for letting us know, Captain Obvious. Yeah, you may want to blow on it.
Yeah, no kidding.
Mm.
Oh, wow. Isn't that good?
Mm. The melted caramel.
Mm. That's amazing.
The cake mix, it's funny because it doesn't actually mix in, but it kind of cooks like a topping.
Mm-hmm. You could do it any flavor. You don't have to do an apple. Mm.
Nope. Oh, you can do blueberry, whatever, cherry.
Mm.
All right, one more bite here. Mm. Okay.
And there's not a single calorie in this. Yeah, right.
There's none. Okay. That is it. Oh, I do this all the time. I forget to bring the paper over because I can't remember what it was called.
Apple caramel dump cake.
There you go. Apple caramel dump cake.
Yep.
Yes, that's it. Okay, thanks for joining us again this week. As I always end this vlog, I don't know what I'm going to make next week, but Kelly will let me know.
Yep.
See you next week.